If you are looking to wow your mom for Mother's Day, this is a female-founded jewelry brand, and their packaging just took my breath away. I got a pair of two-toned earrings for my mom. It came in this cute little purse and this beautiful pouch. The earrings themselves are slightly weighted and really good quality. They are exactly what I hoped for. My mom is quite the fashionista, so I know she's gonna absolutely love these. They are tarnish resistant, and the design is just really beautiful. But if you click that cart, you can access the whole shop and find something that is uniquely for you or for your mother for Mother's Day. Very good quality, and if you have it in your budget, I highly recommend snagging a pair of your own. Jewelry is such a timeless gift.